What's up, YouTube? Finally, the wait is over. I am back. I hope you guys can forgive me. I've been a little busy lately. Hope you can understand that. But nah, for real though, in this video, I want to cover the most common questions about the Ergo Fast Feed Kit that I have been getting asked. And starting off, the number one question is, does it open up to a full number one? And honestly, I would say if it doesn't, it's very close. And to be honest, I'm beyond satisfied with it. I know that Gamma is coming out with the new Ergo X, and it's supposed to have more range. And I honestly think that might actually have more range than the actual fast feeds themselves. But time will tell. We'll get to that point. But the second question I've been getting asked is, how many levers do I have on this? And we have 5 levers, so you have an open, middle, close, and then you have a 2 and a 4. And I really find that very beneficial because my fading process, man, I'm able to just really stay consistent with my steps, and it's very practical. I know a lot of people are not really on board with the click lever, but to me that's a must-have. I mean, I've been cutting half 15 years, and about the last 3 years I've been addicted to click levers. The third question is, does it take out ball lines? And as you can see in the video, I have like no issues at all, like no issues. And to be honest with you, even with the guard zone, like transitioning to the next level, it's kind of like it's cheating. Like I really feel like I've been cheating with these clippers. And yes, I mean, they have been my go-tos. They're my number one clippers at the moment. Another question I get asked is, what kind of guards am I using? And you can use the double magnetic guards if they're the new versions, or you could go to the old school black guards with the metal clip. I know that Get Bean, he likes to create a lot of gradients with those guards, and I'm falling back in love with these guards. I had really got off of these for a long time because I didn't really cut for how they cut on the corded masses, but on these fast feeds, it seems like these are like ideal for them. And that was the number one in the 16 black guard. And as you can see right now, I am using the Andy's purple magnetic guard, and man, it's a breeze. I was kind of mad because I wanted to showcase me fully cutting with this the number 3 guard, but because I work at 2 shops, I left one of the guards at the other shop. So I had to use a wall guard, and it kind of messed up my transition. But overall, man, I think the cut came out dope. I only really had like 25 minutes to cut them. I had somewhere to go, but I really want to get some footage out for you guys. You guys have been asking me a lot of questions, and also, your last question, or the most common question that I've been getting is, which blades, do I need to get to go along with this fast feed blade? Now, you can use any fast feed top blade. You have the Topaz, you have the Chronics, you have the regular fast feed. You have a number of fast feed blades, but at the moment our cams are only developed for the Andes coarse cutter blades. So don't go out and get no kind of generic ceramic blades. I mean, that blade is like $12, so I would just say, invest in your craft, man. We actually do have a combo wet that cutter blade comes with it, and this is just the beginning, man. We'll have more options in the beginning, man. But yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, what you can expect from me and my channel is a lot of my passion of modding is in my channel, and I cut with a lot of modded clippers, and that's all you can expect for me to cut with. As you can see, I did use the GTX hitters as well, so I'm glad that I was able to get that for you guys. But yeah, man, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you share it, and make sure you comment. Let me know if you find value in this channel. But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. This is Nello Blends checking out.